Hey guys, unboxing stuff I bought on Amazon, Halloween masks in March with snow still on the ground, and we're in the woods today. So this one here is the Molezu Walking Dead Hair New. So they come folded, which a lot of the Amazon masks are coming folded now, which I'm not really a big fan of them being folded because I feel like it does damage to them. But the other argument is that these are the cheaper made in China masks and they're not as high quality, therefore I guess they don't care. But this one, they actually have a tag on it, so they must have some kind of care for customer support, and you can apparently upgrade to a 1-year warranty and 20% off another unit. So for any product issue, we sincerely appreciate if you could contact us before giving lower ratings. Note the eye hole may be too small to simulate your eyes. Take out the mask and cut the hole with scissors to make it more comfortable to wear. So that is a poor English translation, but you get the idea of what they're trying to say. So anyway, let's take a look at what we got here. So I know in some of my previous videos I have commented on the fact that the mask's eye holes are too small or don't line up with my eyes at all. But I've never returned a mask because of that. I've returned it because of the quality issues or things I didn't like about them. So this one is a thicker latex. It has a slit in the back and it has this hair feature. So let's give it a test drive. And this was about the probably I think a $20 price range. Alright, here it is, guys. This is the zombie mask with hair. You can tell it has a slit back here. So this one's visibility is much better than some of the other masks. It actually does line up with your eyes. You can see the slits right here. However, it doesn't really look very realistic. I unzip this a little bit, and the chest plate comes all the way down, very, very far. Actually, have to walk into the woods so you can see it. So, it's a zombie, and I cannot see the screen well enough, although the visibility is a little bit better. It did just pop up when I undid my zipper. So now I can see, but to see through this thing, you really have to kind of be hunched over. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. Need you to like, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe. You don't want me in your nightmares. Do ya?